Good morning, ma'am. I'm Sharon Heraldo Baclayon, and I'm here to discuss what the importance of science and technology advancement for societal development based on different social-environmental perspectives. Science and technological advancement play pivotal roles in societal development from various social environmental perspectives. For instance, in terms of environmental sustainability, innovation and renewable energy technologies like solar and wind power contribute to reducing reliance on fossil fuel, mitigating climate change, and preserving ecosystem. From a social equity standpoint, advancement in healthcare technology, such as telemedicine and, and affordable diagnostic tools, improve access to healthcare in underserved communities, narrowing the gap in healthcare disparities. Moreover, in the realm of education, techne- digital technologies enabling remote learning and from a social equity standpoint, advancement in healthcare technology such as telemedicine and affordable diagnostic tools improve access to healthcare underserved communities, narrowing the gap in healthcare disparities. Moreover, in the realm of education, digital technologies enable remote learning opportunities and fostering and lifelong learning. Overall, science and technology empower societies to address pressing challenges, promote equality, and foster sustainable development. For me, the science and technology is very important to our society kuan because to ha kay tungod ha era mas napapadalian aton pag mga ginbubuhat like pagluluto may dana kita mga mga electronic appliances and kaiba naman nga tawo mas natatagaan nila ang trabaho or mas napapadali ang trabaho like mga nag-imbentohan ng machine tapos mga iba pa na mga gamit. So, yun. Imagine science and technology as helpful friends in our society. They like the clever inventors and problem solvers who are always coming up with new ways to make our lives better. For instance, they're the ones who create cool gadgets, find ways to protect nature, and ensure that everyone gets a fair shot of success. In healthcare, they act as a trusted doctors and nurses who work tirelessly to keep us healthy and happy. They also take on the role of wise teachers, making learnings enjoyable and preserving our cherished stories and customs. And just like a friendly neighbor, they connect us with people from all around the world, helping us build friendship and understand each other better